I'm Meredith with XT, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 32 by 10.5 inch tires on a stock non-lifted 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL. In this video I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 32 by 10.5 inch wide tires are a very popular setup with owners that have a JL with stock suspension, as you can see from the pictures provided by JL owners. For Sport and Sahara JLs, this will maintain the factory ride height. Rubicon JLs come with 33s from the factory and a slightly higher suspension, so you can expect a little difference in height and clearance with a 32. Now, customers running this setup are driving mainly on-road with the occasional light off-road driving. This wheel and tire combo will fit all 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JLs that have stock suspension without needing to do any modifications. Now, driving-wise, this setup is ideal for on-road driving with the occasional light off-roading. This setup will be free from any rubbing on any suspension components and the stock front bumper. Now, stock Rubicons do have a slightly higher suspension with a taller fender, so you can expect a little bit more clearance there. As far as off-road driving situations are concerned, the setup is best suited for minor off-road situations like fire trails. Now, if you do want to get a little bit more involved in some more serious off-roading, we suggest having a level or lift kit installed, both of which you can find here right on our site. Now, if you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from ExtremeTerrain, we make it very easy for you to get these onto your JL. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have set up so you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have TPMS sensors installed. Now, TPMS stands for the Tire Pressure Monitoring System and just alerts you when your tire pressure is low. Now, if your JL's stock tires came equipped with TPMS sensors from the factory, you will need to pick up a set of these for your new wheels and tires, otherwise you may see a warning light on your dash. Then you just need to have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. We also recommend an alignment after you've installed your new wheels and tires, and if you have any questions about this setup for your JL, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels with 32 by 10.5 inch wide tires on a non-lifted 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL is very popular with our customers who want aftermarket wheels and tires that maintain a stock ride height. Now, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like these and tons of other install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.